He's really stinking now. Number 2, he has 3 and 2. Number 3 is diarrhea. 2 is number poopy. I hope he has a lot of stuff. He has a lot of stuff to do in there. I think he's out of the bathroom in the playroom. He's in a red shirt. He has brown and peachy shirt and pants. He has some shoes on, but I have no idea how they are. He pulled up his pants. He sat on the toilet. He pooped diarrhea out of his booty. He did it really bad. He did it really good. He did it kind of good, kind of bad. Go Cole! Cole's doing diarrhea. I hope he's having good. I hope he didn't do something bad in the toilet. I hope he did good. I hope he did bad. I hope he did okay. I hope he did something. Yeah!